Hello friends, welcome to MND Education. Today I am going to discuss of chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum in Science workbook of class 8. So kindly request you to watch this video till the end to understand better. So let's start. First of all, thank you so much to all my friends that help me to grow up my channel. And if you come first time on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. And also don't forget to push bell icon by which you can get the latest videos. Okay, because there isn't any charges by doing all this. Okay, so chapter number 5 Coal and Petroleum. The first question is on MCQ base. Now the first question is, which of the following is not a fossil fuel? So the answer is wood. Okay. Now the second question is, which of the following is an exhaustible fuel? Clear. So the answer is biogas. Now the third question, what is the use of bitumen? So the use of bitumen is for road surfacing. Clear. Which is an almost pure form of carbon. So answer is coke. What is the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal known as carbonization? Now sixth question, which of the following is used for manufacturing of steel? So the answer is coke. Clear. Which of the following is known as black gold? So the answer is petroleum. And the last MCQ is, which of the following is not obtained during refining of petroleum? So the answer is natural gas. Now they fill in the blanks. Now the second question, blanks. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Process separation of different constituents of a petroleum is called refining of petrol. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is CNG. The fourth blank is, forests and wild animals are exhaustible natural resources. Now the fifth question, the substances formed from natural gas and petroleum are called petrochemicals. Okay. Now bitumen, the constituent of petroleum, is used for road surfacing. Now the seventh blank is, petroleum is very important and due to its great commercial importance is called black gold. And the world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania in USA. Now the third question is the answer questions of one word. Now the first question is, state the name of a petroleum product used as a fuel for heavy motor vehicles like trucks. So the answer is diesel. State a name of inexhaustible natural resource. So it's either air or sunlight. What are the fuels formed from the dead remains of living organisms called? It's fossil fuels. Clear? Now the fourth question, which product of coal is used in the extraction of many metals? So the answer is coke. What is the main component in CNG? It's methane, right? Now the fourth question is on the base of right wrong. Now the first right wrong is, CNG is more polluting fuel than petrol. So the answer is wrong. Coke is an almost pure form of carbon. So, right. Coal tar is a mixture of various substances. Right. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel. It's wrong. Exhaustible natural resources cannot be over by human activities. It's wrong. Fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Right. Naphthalene balls are made from coke. It's wrong. Kerosene is used as a fuel in jet aircrafts. So answer is right. Okay. Now the fifth question is, answer the following questions in one word. Now the first question is, from what are natural resources like coal and petroleum formed? So from the dead remains of living organisms. natural resources are like coal and petroleum formed. What is carbonization? So the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. What are the substances produced from coal? So coke, coal tar and coal gas are produced from coal. What is the use of coal gas? Coal gas is used as a fuel in many industries. What is fossil fuel? The fuels are formed from the dead remains of living organisms are called fossil fuel. State the full form of CNG. It's compressed natural gas. Now the next question is state the full form of LPG. It's liquefied petroleum gas. And the last question is what are petrochemicals? Those chemicals which are obtained from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. Okay. Now the question number 8, differences. Now the first difference is coal and coke. Okay, so the in the coal the first point is it is hard as a stone and black in color, and the second point is made from dead vegetation millions of years ago. Okay, and coke, the first point is it is tough, black and a porous substance. Now the second point is made from reaction on coal. Now the second difference is LPG, CNG. The first point of LPG is the petroleum gas which has been liquefied under pressure, and the second point is it is used in homes and vehicles as fuels. Okay. If we are talking about the CNG, the first point is natural gas which is stored under high pressure. Now the second point is it is used in transport vehicles and supplied through pipes as fuels. Clear? And the last one is match the column A and B. Now the sunlight is inexhaustible natural resource, fossil fuel is exhaustible natural resource, coke is hard porous fuel, and CNG is cleaner fuel. Okay, so guys, friends, I have discussed these very short question answers of chapter number 5 in the second video. That means in the part 2 I will discuss the long questions. Okay, so hope you can enjoy this video. Thank you so much.